In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the renovation of a late 1700s cottage which is located in Widnes in the northwest of England. I'm going to be interviewing the managing director of Libra Construction who are working on the renovation, and I'm also going to be interviewing the customer himself and to find out more about his vision for this amazing cottage.
Yeah, this project is, as you can see, we're appointed to build a outhouse, which is next to me here, double-storey extension behind me, and it's got to be in keeping with the aesthetics of the original building, but it's got to marry in terms of planning. The brick has got to be similar type, the windows have got to be a similar type, and so we spoke with the clients, showed them the plan. He told us his needs and we worked together to create this project.
It's a apparently late 1700s cottage. The family who had it before me had it from early 1900s, thereabouts. So their parents died, put it up for sale, and I saw it and thought, well, always wanted kind of a double-fronted cottage, and it kind of went from there really. It had an extension on the side that was, the brick didn't match, it was the wrong size, wrong texture, colour, everything. So it looked awful. So the plan was always to change that and get it to match. I then decided to build up on that instead. So I'd have a large kitchen at the bottom, which used to be a bathroom and kitchen, and then put a bedroom with ensuite above that. The bathroom's now in the smallest bedroom, and it'll go back to being a 4-bed again once all the work's complete.